Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure Windows is updated and you're signed in with an administrator account so changes apply system-wide. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. This launch gives you access to virus and threat protection and related controls. Do not skip the admin step. Without it, you can't reset protections. Now click Virus and Threat Protection to view current status, recent scan results, and the quick actions you'll use next. You'll run a quick scan immediately to catch common threats. If anything shows up, follow prompts to quarantine or remove. While scans run, check virus and threat protection updates and install the latest definitions so detection is accurate. Next, open Manage Settings and make sure real-time protection is enabled. Disable it only briefly if troubleshooting. For persistent or rootkit-style infections, choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. It restarts your finish by restarting the PC to ensure quarantine files are removed and services reset. Once back, run a full scan to confirm no leftovers. If threats remain or Windows behaves oddly, reboot into safe mode and rerun scans, or use System Restore to a known good point. As a final troubleshooting tip, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, which can interfere with security tools. That often resolves stubborn detection or protection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.